Bonus shot, basket. Mga nag-iossi po dyan. Number 37, Dario for 2. Basket. Change favor. Dario for 2, no good. Rebound by number 31, Gatnaita. Number 31, Aras. 14, no good. Rebound by, and there's a foul. A foul committed by number 37, Torio, pushing foul. That is her second personal foul, first team foul. Number 6, Samandron. Steal by number 31. Number 31 nagmamadali, tatlong laban sa isa for 2. Basket. 36-43. Foul by number 0, first personal foul, second team foul. Number 6, Samandron. Pass to Somera. Somera no good, rebound by Singh. Steal by Somera. Somera lays up, basket. Number 31, Gatnaitan. Sinasawa ng kalaban, and there's a foul committed by number 38. First personal foul, second team foul. First attempt, basket. Second attempt, but no good. The rebound by himself for 2, no good. Knicks basketball. Number 6, Samandron. Steal by number 31, Gatnaita. Number 31, Sumasayaw. And there's an offensive foul committed by number 31, Gatnaita. It's her second personal foul. Dahil tayo ay running time po tayo sa Mera for 3. No good. Rebound by number 31. Pass to number 37. Tario for 2. No good. Rebound by Barra. Follow-up shot. Still no good. Rebound by number 44. Mitra. Mitra to number 8. Somera. Somera to Amandron to Oreo. Jump shot from the baseline. No good. Rebound by number 86. Barra. Barra itinira. No good. Rebound by himself. Follow-up shot. Basket. Number 27, Oreo. Steal by Oreo to number 31, Gatnaita. Number 31, basket. Time out. Our official score is 51-45. Time remaining for our third quarter is 6 minutes and 21 seconds. Back to the bogey. Sorry po. Number 7, Piao. To Somera, 10 seconds shot clock. Piao 4-3, no good. Rebound by number 5, pass to number 31. Number 31 for 2. No good. Rebound by number 23, Madrasa. Out of bounds. One shot, basketball. Steal by Piao. Piao waras by Baro. One shot, basketball. Okay na po yung 3 minutes ni Madraso. Text 1 to extend and send to truth 366. Number 7, Piao. Pass to number 23 to number 38. Number 38 to Mika Timiran. Never rebound by number 24, Sing. Sing attempt for 3 points. Number 38. 7 to number 8, Somera babawi ng 3. 3 points at may kasabang foul. Ang foul committed by number 86. First personal foul, third team foul. Somera bonus shot, basket. Number 31 taking his time. Tutorial for 3 points. Somera basket. Number 5, Bermilio. No good. Rebound by number 38. Pass to number 7, Piao. Lays up. Minawa ang bola. Rebound by number 37, Torio. Nagmamadali. Pass to number 86, Baro. Exhibition shot. No good. Rebound by Gatmaitan. And there's a foul. High-field shot. Committed by number. Reference one. Sino? Number 38. Second personal foul, third team foul. Bonus shot, basket. Number 7 to number 27 for 2. No good. Rebound by number 31. Number 31 naras by number 27. Pass number 86. 86 to Mira, airball, rebound by Molina for 2. No good, rebound by number 37, Torio. 5-second shot lang, basket! Pwede na ba pang sabong? Samera for 3. No good, rebound by RTL. Pass to number 31. 31 got my top for 2. No good, rebound by himself and there's a foul. A foul committed by number 8. That is your second personal foul. Fourth team foul. Warning for team penalty. Knicks. Ayan na po, nag-tuck in na po. Nag-tuck in na po, ayan na po. First attempt. Isa pa lang po. Ayan na po, ayan na po. Ayan na po.
Teknikal niyo si Rep!
Number 7, Pio, jump shot. No good. The rebound by number 31. Number 31 got Naita, naras by Pio. Umikot, and there's a foul. A foul committed by number 8, Samera. That is your third personal foul. Penalty. Next is a penalty situation. Ayan na po, ayan na po. Ayan na po.
Ryan daw yan.
Ha?
Ryan daw.
First attempt, basket.
May Gasol. Gasol. Bird, nakatip na ako. Lili Jumbo.
Second attempt, 2 for 2. Official score is 66-51. Number 7, pass to Hamandren, 10-second shot now. 5. Rayas, ipinasa sa kalaban, number 13, Araneta nagmamadali. Yay! Traveling violation. Number 7, Piao, setting the play. 1 minute left. A foul committed by number 13. First personal foul, 14 foul.
Plus 5.
Hamandron, first attempt. No good. Second attempt, basket. Molina to Mira, no good. Rebound by Pia. Pia, no good. Number 29, RTL, basket! Warning number 29 for the late game. Shot clock is dead. 15 seconds left. Up. And there is a foul committed by number 29, Langisan. First personal foul, penalty. Both teams are in penalty situation. First attempt, no good. Second attempt, basket. Shot clock is dead, 12.4 seconds left. Molina from the baseline, basket. 3 seconds left. Amandron. End of the third quarter with a score of 70-53. Steal by chance. Game resumed. Game resumes. Number 25 Molina naghahanap ng papasahan to number 24 C. Harassed by Rayos. Ipinasa and there's a foul. Retos foul. 24. Number 24 C, that is her fourth personal foul, warning for foul down. Isang semester na lang po. As per the referee. Piawa 10.3. No good. The rebound by number 31, harassed by Coach Vince Rayos. Seymour. 10 seconds shot clock, 10 seconds to shoot. Jump shot by Gatmaitan, no good. Rebound by number 55, Tan. Tan, pass to Oreo. Oreo, basket. Happy viewing to Secretary John Jose de Shaw. Steal by number 55 to Oreo. Oreo to Amandron, and there's a foul. Counter shot committed by number 37. Third personal foul, second team foul. Timeout, 1 shot. Okay, may hawak ng bala. Ipinasa kay Victoriano. Victoriano nagmamadali. Ang kukulit niyo. Bonus shot by Hamandro. Basket.
Kulang kasi may nasignal.
8 seconds violation. Number 55, Tan to Oreo. To be out for 3 points. Baro nagmamadali, Baro lays up, no good. Right ball. And to Hamandro for 3. No good. Rebound by number 31. Harassed by Oreo and Hamandro. Pass to Singh. Yeah. Out of bounds. Right ball. No good, rebound by Singh. Basket. Number 6, Hamandro dribbling the ball. Pass to Coach. Steal by number 86, Baro. Baro harassed by Hamandro. 10 seconds shot left for 3 points. Number 55, Tan to Madrasa for 3 points. Got my down, naras by Oria. Tumira, no good. The rebound by Molina, and there's a foul. A foul committed by number 8, Samira. Samira, that is her 4th personal foul. Warning for foul down. First attempt, no good. Second attempt, still no good. Rebound by Baron, no good again. Rebound by number 44, pass to number 23. Mitra for 2, basket. Torreto Molina, jump shot, no good. Save ball. Number 10 saying 10 seconds shot clock, 10 seconds to shoot. First team, no good. The rebound by number 34. There's a foul committed by number 28. First personal foul, third team foul. Torrio, pass to number 28, basket! Number 23, Matraso, tumira ng 3, no good. Rebound by number 10, Singh. Pass to number 37, Torrio. Torrio, attempt for 3. 3 points! Samira babawi na 3, no good. Rebound by number 28, pass to number 31. To number 28 for 2, basket. Tanto Samira, harassed by 2 players to Oreo. Oreo for 2, and there's a foul committed by number 28. Second personal foul, 14 foul. Warning for team penalty, 1 shot. Number 27, Oreo in the free throw area. First attempt, basket. The second attempt, 2 for 2. Happy viewing. Number 24, Singh. 10 seconds shot clock, 10 seconds to shoot. Got my down, long 3, no good. Rebound by number 38, pass to number 55. Steal by number 31, and what the hell? Traveling violation. Number 55, Pan. Pan to number 38, nice pass, basket. Number 3, Oreo naghahanap ng papasahan. To number 28, number 28, no good. Rebound by Sam, number 28 for 2. Still no good. Rebound by number 13. 10 seconds shot clock, 10 seconds to shoot. 5. No good. Number 28 for 2. Basket.
Parang bata pa yun.
Samera harassed by Singh. To number 38 for 2. No good. Rebound by number 3, Oreo. Oreo harassed by Madraso. Nabitawan ng bola, steal. Nice pass, basket. Shot clock, 10 seconds to shoot. 4-3, no good. Offensive foul committed by number 3, Oreo. First personal foul. Again, offensive foul po. Substitution. Kalma lang po tayo. Number 6 naman drawn to Madraso at 10-3. No good. Rebound by number 86, Baro. Last 2 minutes. Rebound by number 8, Samera. Samera to Madraso. To number 38, for 2. Basket. Number 24, Singh. Singh to number 3, Oreo. Pass to number 86, 10 seconds shot clock, 10 seconds to shoot. Baro. Next basketball. 1 minute and 28 seconds remaining. Number 8, Samera. To Oreo. Oreo drives for 2. No good. Rebound by number 86. Steal by Oreo for 2. Basket. Ops. Kalma lang po. What happened, Bella? Why are you crying again? Okay, as per the referee, foul committed by number 23, Madraso, that is your third personal foul. And then number 24 of one shot disqualifying foul for throwing the ball. And technical foul for one shot bench for entering the court. Bali a total of 3 free throws for Knicks. Then ball possession. Again, foul committed by number 23, Madraso. Disqualifying foul committed by number 24 of one shot Singh. Then technical foul bench ng one shot for entering the court. Bali 3 free throw shots for Knicks, then ball possession. Then technical foul for the bench of Knicks for entering the court. Kami ang committee po ay nagbabase lang po sa sinasabi sa amin ng referee. Bonus shot, basket.
Left lang, makapasok, tulog!
Wait lang daw po.
Pagka-out of the play, out talaga? Kasi pag hindi natin nilabas yan, baka hanapin sa atin yan sa dulo.
Okay, number 24 po of one shot out of the playing court. Again, number 24 of one shot out of the playing court. For the third time, number 24 of one shot out of the playing court. One shot ball. Terrio to Oreo. To number 31, got Maitano, 1 minute left. To Molina, 10 seconds shot clock, 10 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds of violation. Timeout, Knicks. Back to the ball game. Here resumes number 23, Madrazo. Pass. Hamandran Navy, rebound by number 31, Tuterio. Terio to Baro. Foul. A foul committed by number 6, Hamandran. Second personal foul for team foul. Warning for team penalty. Foul. Penalty. Third personal foul. Penalty. Both teams are in penalty situation. Second attempt, basket. 30 seconds left. Lahat po tayo uuwi. Bago po tayo umuwi, yung kalat po natin, pakita na po. Shot clock is dead, 20 seconds left. Steal. So Mera enters a foul. Molina first personal foul. First attempt, no good. Second attempt, basket. Third and last attempt, basket. Foul. A foul committed by number 8, Mera. So Mera, that is her fifth personal foul. Substitution needed. Second attempt, basket. Hamandran for 3. No good. 2 seconds left. Congratulations, One Shot, for entering the SKL Cup Season 2 Finals. It is a battle between Hard Rock versus One Shot.
When a real nigga hold you down, you supposed to drown.